Hello everyone, my name is Rohan Mandal. I am currently a student at IVY Professional School. In today's video, I will be sharing a Spotify user's skip behavior dashboard I created in Excel where I will explore how skips and listening patterns reveal interesting insights. The objective of my dashboard is to analyze and understand what factors influence the user to skip certain tracks on Spotify. By exploring patterns across days, hours, devices, and playback modes. So let's get started. I have worked on this dataset, which contains a user's Spotify streaming history of about 11 years, 2013 to 2024, with over 1 lakh records. It includes information such as the track details like song, artist name, and album name, the platform used for playback, the timestamp, the track URIs, whether the shuffle was on or off, and whether the song was skipped or not. It also includes the reason to start the song and the reasons to end the song. After cleaning and processing the raw data, I created a more structured dataset for my analysis. This processed data now includes not only the original details like track name, artist name, album name, reason start, reason end, shuffle, skip, but also dates, times, hours, weekdays, minutes played, whether shuffle was on or off clearly, whether it is skipped or not, it is also made clearly, and in the year which it is played. After this, for my ease of analysis, I created some pivots to summarize my entire data and to prepare some charts which will help me to build my dashboard in Excel. Finally, here is the dashboard I designed in Excel to better understand the user's skip behavior on Spotify. I have added it two slicers here, one for weekdays, which helps me analyze the user's average behavior on different days of the week, and another for hours, which shows during a particular hour interval which albums and which artists the user skips the most. So let's dive into it. When I click on a day in the weekday slicer like Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, or Wednesdays, or any other days, the dashboard shows me the complete picture of that day across all 11 years. I can see the playback activity by platforms chart. Here, it is very clear that Android completely dominates, while other devices like iOS, custom device, Mac, Windows, and web player contribute only a small part. Next, played versus skipped by platforms chart shows at what percentage songs were played fully versus skipped. Skip percentage while shuffle is on or off chart shows very clearly that shuffle is the biggest reason for skipping. The average playtime chart shows how quickly people decide whether to skip a track or to listen it. Next, when are tracks being skipped, chart gives another observation. Most skips happen in the 5 to 9 UTC window in this case. Finally, I can also see start reasons chart which explains why a track was started. Now If I take a step further and select an hour from the slicer, like we have got 5 to 9 as the most skip hour window. So if we click here, we can easily find out that which artists and which albums are skipped the most for this particular hour interval. From this dashboard, we can observe that across days, the user prefers mood-based listening and avoids shuffle, as most skips happen during the random playback. Songs often skip within the first 30 seconds if they don't match the mood, but when they fit, they played over 2 minutes. Android is the most preferred medium for listening, while the other devices are rare. Songs that started with the forward button are skipped the most. Skip rates are higher in the 0 to 4 UTC interval on an average for the artists and albums that are too energetic, heavy, or emotionally intense.